Are you planning to use Odoo for your business and still confused which Odoo pricing plan is right for you? In today's video, I'll break down Odoo's three main plans: free, standard, and custom. So you can choose the best Odoo pricing plan for your business without overspending. Each plan is designed for different purposes, from startups to freelancers and to the growing and enterprise level organization. Let's start with the free plan, and this costs zero and allows unlimited users. This plan provides access to one Odoo application and Odoo online hosting, and no monthly subscription charge is set for this plan as it's free. And you can make use of this plan when you only want one Odoo application such as a CRM, invoicing, help desk, project management, and when no customization is required. The next is a standard plan. Pricing is based on the selected country. And this plan will allow to get access to all Odoo application, Odoo online hosting, and integrated business management across department. This means that the CRM, sales, inventory, project all can work together in one system. Customization is not supported in standard plan and studio is not available. If you choose annual billing, Odoo offers a discounted rate when compared to the monthly billing, and you only need to make less pay per user when you commit a full year. So if your business is planning to choose Odoo for long term, the annual billing is best for you. You may also notice an initial discount during the first year in the pricing breakdown. This is a promotional discount applied to new customers during the first year subscription. It is important to note that the discount will not be available in the renewal of the subscription in the subsequent year. And when you're planning your budget, keep in mind that you just need to check with the renewal price as well as the discounted price. And this plan is useful for growing businesses, small and medium-sized companies, and the company that need to work with multiple applications together. Now let's look at the custom plan. And this plan costs around $890 per user per month in India, and the price may be varying according to the country that you have selected. It includes all the features that comes in the standard plan. Additional to that, we can make use of the Odoo Studio, external API, Odoo SH, then Odoo premise deployment and multi-company management. Odoo Studio let you to customize forms, workflows, applications without heavy coding, and API allows to integrate with external softwares such as the e-commerce platform, logistics, payment gateways, and other external applications. When configuring the custom plan, you will see different hosting options. And the first one is the standard cloud hosting. Standard cloud hosting is also known as Odoo Online, is a fully managed software as a service model. Odoo hosts your database on their servers, handling maintenance, backups, and upgrades. You cannot install custom code or Python modules, limiting customization to those made through the built-in Studio tool. The second hosting option is a self-hosting. You host Odoo on your cloud server such as AWS or Google Cloud or physical server. This provides ultimate control over data storage, maintenance, and allow you to run either the enterprise or open source community edition. The third option is the Odoo SH, and the Odoo SH is Odoo's cloud platform, and it is made for development, customization, testing, and deployment. The cost and technical responsibilities may vary according to the hosting method that you have opted. For most businesses, Odoo SH is the best choice. Standard cloud hosting is cheap but needs server management. Self-hosting gives full control but requires strong ID skills. Odoo SH is recommended because it combines customization, automatic backups, security, updates, and easy deployment, so businesses can focus on growth instead of managing servers. Another important area is the implementation services, and Odoo provides different implementation approaches. The first one is a self-service. With self-services, the team handles setups, configurations, and deployments independently. With Odoo Success Plan, Odoo expert assist in implementation training and project guidance. You can also work with authorized local Odoo partner who can assist in implementation and other ongoing assistance. The plan is useful for the companies that require customization, multi-companies or multi-branching and connected softwares, and the company that have the control over their system. Now you will be getting confusion on which plan must be used for your business. You can make use of the free plan if you only want one Odoo application and when no customization is required and you are using this app mainly for testing purposes. You can choose a personalized plan if you want customization, integration, multi-company management, and Odoo SH or on-premise deployment. So when looking into the Odoo pricing, you also need to check the setup, the hosting, the discounts, and renewal cost. Not sure which plan is right for your business? Comment below and we will help you to choose the best plan for your business and follow for more Odoo tips. Thank you for watching the video.